My name is Dr. Grammy, and today I'm gonna tell you what is j.p.animalhospital. We are not just a hospital, but we are your partner. Behind every success, there always a little friend by your side. Whenever you're tired, stressed, or feeling completely alone, they'll always be there for you. Your journey is their journey. From the very beginning, we make sure they return home safe and sound. Whenever you need us, we are here, day or night. Our dedicated team is committed to provide the highest standard of care for your little friend's health and happiness. To every situation, we stand by your side, helping you through it all. Because for us, it is not just a job, it's a mission to care for every stage of your journey. We are j.p.animalhospital.